Hello, Lynn here. Have you ever had one of those rough mornings when it feels like nothing is going right for anyone in the house? Wait till you hear about my story of flipping the switch on negative energy in our home. I love uplifting families with simple, natural solutions for the mind, heart, and body. And today I'm sharing why cheer is one of those favorites for those moments when everyone just needs a little boost. Cheer is a blend of wild orange, clove, lemon myrtle, nutmeg, vanilla, ginger, and cinnamon. It's an uplifting mix of citrus and spice that can help you or your family go from feeling discouraged or disinterested to uplifted and resilient. With this blend on hand, it's like having a little bottle of sunshine and positivity. I remember one morning when my son woke up on the absolute wrong side of the bed. Moms, I'm sure you've been there. Everything was going wrong for him and he was near tears, just feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. After trying to comfort him, I gently told him he needed to have his breakfast so we could get him off to school. And as he headed down to the kitchen, I grabbed my bottle of cheer and walking up behind him, I tried to put some on the back of his neck. And he spun around and he yelled, "I don't want an oil on me." But I quietly said, "But you need one." And I continued to rub it on the back of his neck. Here's the magic. Just a few minutes later, I found him happily eating his breakfast and humming. Yes, that was the same kid that had been near tears and yelling was now humming a tune. Everything seemed better after that, and he went off to school a happy kid. This experience was when I truly fell in love with cheer oil. It's become my go-to for mornings when anyone in the house could use a mood boost. If you're thinking that a happier morning routine could make all the difference, I recommend cheer. Make it a part of your wake-up routine. You can diffuse it to uplift the whole house, or like me, apply it with a roller bottle on the back of the neck or wrists. I often use cheer as my personal fragrance. It's great for staying positive throughout the day. And yes, I even keep a bottle in my car to get me through those cranky moments in traffic. A little cheer really can make a world of difference. If you're ready to bring this uplifting oil into your home, you can order it now by clicking on the link in the description below. And I also have a free essential oils uses guide for over 100 ways to use oils to support your family's health, from better sleep and easing discomfort to boosting immunity and energy. Just check out the link in the description and start enjoying natural solutions for a happier, healthier home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more natural health tips and family solutions. Stay cheerful, everyone, and we'll see you next time.